AI must be stopped before it's too late.
Incredible. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's crazy.
I believed it, though.
So did the rest of the world.
The rest of the world, yeah.
And then it became very scary very fast.
Now you know you can't believe everything you see on TV. These robots have messed with the wrong humans now. Well, thanks in part to a unique group of courageous characters, we might just be getting laws put in place to help protect humans from artificial intelligence. Honey, artists straight off the Hollywood Walk of Fame came out last year trying to stop fake Tom Cruises. Our government has created a blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights. Now, thank God, that does not give the robots rights. It's actually for human rights. So what is an AI Bill of Rights? Well, my sources at the White House told me. Actually, I just went to whitehouse.gov. I'll leave the link in the description for y'all. So the AI Bill of Rights is basically a set of guidelines for responsible design and use of artificial intelligence, not to be confused with AR, which is augmented reality. Okay, this blueprint was created by the OSTP, and that's the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy. Now, it was created amid an ongoing global push to establish more regulations to govern AI. So, the blueprint for the bill has 5 principles governing the development and deployment of AI systems. Basically, what they're focusing on is safety, fairness, privacy, transparency, and human alternatives. Let's look at safe and effective systems. So, the government agrees that we should be protected from unsafe or ineffective systems. Systems should undergo pre-deployment testing, risk identification and mitigation, and ongoing monitoring, and demonstrate they are safe and effective based on their intended use, mitigation of unsafe outcomes, including those beyond intended use, and adherence to domain-specific standards. Outcomes of these protective measures should include the possibility of not deploying the system or removing a system from use. Automated systems should not be designed with an intent or reasonably foreseeable possibility of endangering your safety or the safety of your community. Obviously, right? Obviously. Well, thank God they're recognizing it. So under fairness, it looks like they're putting in protections for algorithm discrimination. So it says you should not face discrimination about algorithms, and systems should be used and designed in an equitable way. No racist robots around here. So algorithmic discrimination occurs when automated systems contribute to unjustified different treatment or impacts disfavoring people based on their race, color, ethnicity, sex, including pregnancy, childbirth, and related medical status, and sexual orientation, religion, age, national origin, disability, veteran status, genetic information, or any other classification protected by law. It says that you should be protected from inappropriate or irrelevant data used in the design, development, and deployment of automated systems, and from the compounded harm of its reuse. I don't know if there's going to be lawsuits in place. I mean, let's just hope that let's just hope that it can be stopped before it happens and not have to face the repercussions of after. Okay, so they have included something in here for data protection. They're saying the protection should include proactive equity assessments as part of the system design, use of representative data, and protection against proxies for demographic features, ensuring accessibility for people with disabilities in design and development, pre-deployment and ongoing disparity testing and mitigation, and clear organizational oversight. They want independent evaluation and plain language reporting in the form of an algorithmic impact assessment, including disparity testing results and mitigation information. So they want that performed whenever possible to confirm these protections. So they're looking at requiring protection from violations of privacy be included by default. They're going to be requiring some of these designers, developers, and deployers of the automated systems to take a proactive stance in protecting the people and the community. So that includes ensuring that data collection conforms to reasonable expectations and that only data strictly necessary for specific context is collected. So the 3Ds, designers, developers, and deployers of AI, will need our permission and must respect our decisions regarding collection of data, use, access, transfer, and deletion. They go on to say the AI Bill of Rights blueprint requires consent requests to be brief, understandable, and in plain language. The government agrees that we and our communities should be free from unchecked artificial intelligence surveillance. Continuous surveillance should not be used where it is likely to limit our rights, opportunities, or access. So what does it say about transparency? Well, it would require the AI 3Ds, designers, developers, and deployers of automated systems to provide in plain language clear descriptions of the overall system functioning and role automation plays. It's also required that we be given notice that AI is being used, as well as the individual or organization responsible for the AI. Finally, for the human touch, we have got to be able to opt out. Well, this AI bill blueprint says in some cases a human or other alternative may be required by law. I'm not sure what they mean by other alternative. My cat's available, but he's not really very fair. It goes on to say we should have access to timely human consideration and remedy, and that reporting of these human governance processes should be made public. I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea where we're at when it comes to AI protections. I really don't know how much the government can protect us, but I am glad that they are putting measures in place. I'm just thankful to anybody that's trying to protect us from these robots. Right now, they're trying to take our jobs. Who knows what's next?